Channel. So today we are going to check the stocks for 11th of August. So we are currently in second week, day 2. Okay, so normally I'm going by weekly chart patterns as we are doing for Nifty. I know these have monthly expiry, but for our understanding we'll keep it week by week so that we can split and understand. Okay, so this is August open, and this is our important range. Now it is in the retracement phase. This was a critical support. Okay, now this was day 1, Friday. This is day 2, Monday. Okay, so nothing much. It was a very nice U-shape recovery for second week of August. Okay, now we'll move on. I'm going to take HDFC Bank. Let me take the brighter color because nothing is visible. Okay, so I'm going to check for August. This is August, this is open, and then clearly first week it was down. When you check 8th and 11th, so this becomes the day 1 and day 2 of this week. So you see open and close down, here open and close. So almost all the SL has been hunt for this week. So we are talking about the second week of August here. Okay, now I'll take ICICI Bank. Okay, so here also you can see this is August range. This was the open, so resistance is high, and this is also a very good support turned into resistance. Okay, now we will take 8th, we will take day 1. This was Friday, and this is Monday, day 2. Okay, so open and close, here open and close. Okay, so this is like the second week of August. Okay, so let's wait and watch what happens. Now we have OI to look after. Let's start with trading tick, overall OI. Okay, so first off I'm going to check is Reliance. Okay, so here is the Reliance. So yesterday we saw call writing was very heavy, and today also call writing has the upper hand. As you could see, the green line is up in the chart. Next we are going to study HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, and here also clearly green line is up, so call writing is intact. Now we'll move on to ICICI Bank. Here also call writing is more, so clearly all of the 3 stocks are having call writing as upper hand. Now we'll go and check the close range so that we'll get the idea of what is happening or what will be the close resistance and support. I'll take Reliance first, and when you check OTM, it's 69 and 25, so clearly resistance is more. Next we have HDFC Bank. When you check OTM, it's 25.14. Still some of the profit booking and build up is going on here. So this is what I was talking about, the OTM. Okay, the lot size is 550. Now we'll go to ICICI Bank. This is ICICI Bank, so clearly call writing is more with profit booking, so 22 and 9. So this is high, means the resistance is very very strong. This is the range and this is the lot size. Okay, OTM. Now we'll go and check for the straddle. So a small price action study we will do here. Okay, so yeah, first I'm going to check is Reliance. let's take Reliance 15 minutes chart, and today is its 11th. Okay, so this is 70, so 1370, and you can see the price action. It was a profitable trade. Okay, now let's do a small profit calculation. Okay, so here I will take the profit calculation. Okay, one lot is for Reliance is 500 times the decay. So open is clearly 53 is our open, and close is 48. So what will be the decay? So the positive decay is 53 minus 48. Okay, that is 3 to 5 points positive decay. Now 500 times 5 is equal to 2500 plus tax and brokerage. So this is the overall PNL for this price action. Okay, because you know the overall market was sideways for the first half, and then you could see how sideways pattern has repeated here. Okay, so long straddle people have not got any chance, and short straddle people, they have initially got a very good decay, but rest of the day it was just on and off. Okay, now we would move on to the next for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. Okay, so sorry, I just did the Reliance. Okay, I just made a mistake, but anyway both of them were going up. Let me just do the calculation for Reliance, then I'll start again because I just made a blunder mistake. I just kept HDFC chart and was trying to explain in Reliance. So let me take once again. Sorry for that, I just can't edit it. Now let me take Reliance is almost 70, so that was correct. And then this is the price action for Reliance, and open was 53 and close was 48. So yeah, so it would be the same calculation, just in the chart I have kept the different. So let me check for HDFC Bank. So we'll move on. That calculation was right, though the chart was different. Hope you understand. Okay, now we'll go to HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. When you check open, it is 70. So we'll take 76, right? So 80 is close. We'll take 80. So 56 to 52. So it was obviously a positive trade. As you could see, Reliance and HDFC both having similar pattern. First half it went sideways. So it went sideways. Second half it was trending, though it was not reflected here because the movement was very slow. When the price action is slow, decay is inevitable. Okay, now we will go to ICICI Bank. Let's try for ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank, and then when you check price action, so open was 20, so same. Okay, so here ICICI Bank open was 43, close was 36. So let's just do the price action calculation here in detail. Okay, I'll just keep it down. Now let's just calculate the profit. Okay, so this is profit. We know one lot size for ICICI Bank is 700. Okay, and now let's calculate the decay here. So open was clearly 43 minus close is clearly 36. Okay, so that means 347 points decay, and when you do one lot times decay, 7 sevens are 49 and 00. So this is the profitable position plus tax plus brokerage. Okay, so the decay was very fast because we have already entered into the second week, day 2. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. So this was Friday, day 1 of the second week. This is Monday, day 2 of August second week. First week the decay was very slow, but as we move it will be very fast. See, the price action was very slow for the first week, which was the cause of this major decay here, and long straddle people didn't got the chance. Short straddle, it was positive. If somebody would have taken long straddle, it was a negative outcome, because they are inversely proportional. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in next video.